I had a request from a user to find an easy way to make sure that every question was on a new page. Of course, you can do that by inserting a row after each question and putting a new page for the new row. But if you've got quite a few questions, that'll take a long time. So in the settings at the top, right along as far as you can go, I've got these columns. So there's a heading there for new page for each question. And if you select page in there, you can only either select page or blank. So if you leave it blank, it won't insert a new page. If you put the word page in, when you create the form, it will create a new a page break for each question. So if I show you what that looks like. So it doesn't automatically put a page title in or anything like that. If you want to do that, you'll have to run the process manually. But this is what the form looks like. And that's it.